Snowed last night. What's up, YouTube? So, I'm starting today. Let's go. As y'all can see, I'm in a knee brace. I don't quite know what happened yet. I was in the mosh pits with my friends, bullying people. Damn, I just hit our trash can. Who gave me a license? So I was at Thunderdome with my friends, and yeah, we went a little bit too hard, but anyways, you guys, that's not what this YouTube video is about. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Isaiah Escobar, founder of Stronger for Tomorrow. I'm a U.S. Army veteran, cinematographer locally here in Tacoma, Washington, and I also work at 24 Hour Fitness. I have a normal 9 to 5, just like you guys. I was watching some YouTube videos, day in the life, and honestly, a lot of these people already made it. Like, they're driving nice cars, you know, whether they bought it themselves or mom and dad bought it from them. I can't really relate to any of these people, honestly. They're way further than I am. They're where I want to be, ideally. But as a content creator myself and creating content for other businesses, you know, everybody loves to see the journey. Everybody wants to see how you did this, how you did that. And I'm here to take you guys along with me on my journey with Stronger for Tomorrow, and just provide value to you guys, whether that be information about branding or fitness or anything. You're guaranteed to learn something here on this channel. So if you aren't subscribed, do that now. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be responding to everybody. And yeah, so today, day in the life, part 1. I'm gonna go meet my girl at the gym. I think she's doing lower body. I can't really do lower anymore, so I'm going to be doing some sort of upper workout. So I'll take you guys through a quick overview of my workout. I'm not going to go too in depth today. Popo.
We do have his description. Can we take that? Let's take his description.
So yeah, I'm going to take you guys through my workout with me. I'll show you guys the movements that I'm doing with a couple key pointers, so that if you're on your fitness journey as well, you can also learn something from me there. So I'll see you guys at the gym. I'm gonna drive so I don't hit another trash can. All right, let's get y'all. So, back day. I'm gonna start off with some lat pull downs. I'm gonna hit 4 sets of 8 and then move on to a seated row. Let's get it. Lat pull downs. I see a lot of people sitting really like upright and bringing the bar like in front of them like this. Watch. So for one, you really ain't even got to go that far down. Once you feel it in your shoulders, you're already losing that tension from your back. That's what you want, that time under tension. So obviously make sure you got a good, the right level to where your feet are fully planted and your butt's not coming off of the bench. For me, I can't because of the race, so I'm doing what I can right now. Still being able to pull a decent amount of weight and not sacrificing form, because it's not about the weight, it's about your form, time under tension. So make sure you're clipped in right, find a weight to where you're hitting. I'll get 8 to 12 reps, hypertrophy, you're trying to build muscle, right? 8 to 12 reps. And then kind of watch where my back's at when I'm pulling down on this next set. Also, one more thing, the wider you go, so if my hands are way out here, I'm targeting my lats. So boom, that's gonna be my lats right here. And if you go in more, that's gonna be more of your inner upper back, upper trap area. All right, that's it for this movement. I'm gonna go hit some rows now. All right, y'all, we did our pull downs, our rows. We're just gonna go ahead and honestly did back the other day, but there's only so much I could with this injury, so just hitting more I'm just in here working, y'all, honestly. My first set, I was hitting more hypertrophy. Second one, I just want to sweat now. So, I mean, don't follow my rep range today. Just take my tips for like form, hand placement, all that stuff. So yeah, for lat pull downs, we did wide. And then for our rows, we isolated each arm, went inside, still targeting that lat. And then for here, we're just gonna burn out on these. Couple more reps, nice and slow. Just try to control that tension, that time under tension. But yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit about just being comfortable. Like, honestly, everybody here, I work here, so I mean, for the most part, a lot of people know me. But I mean, it's still pretty nerve-wracking, like pulling my big ass camera out, and I'm gimping around this. So there's a lot of eyes on me already, but the way I think about it, you guys, like, nobody's paying my bills. None of these pay my bills. Nobody really cares, honestly. Like, you get looks here and there, but I mean, if somebody's judging you for doing what you want to do, they're probably not your friend anyways. So, I mean, if somebody wants to say something to me, they're more than welcome to. We're gonna finish up here, and then I'm literally just gonna do arms today and probably hit a rear delt movement and just call it. I'm just in here to sweat, in here to feel like I can still do something. It's more mental for me right now. And then obviously just trying to educate you guys on anything that I can while keeping this somewhat short. So I'm gonna finish this up, I'm gonna cut this, and then I'll see you guys in the next movement. Okay guys, we're back at the house here. Gonna go over Stronger for Tomorrow's analytics and give you guys a little bit of things that I wish that I knew earlier whenever I first started up to where I'm at now. All right, you guys, so taking a look at the analytics, this is from June 19th, 2022 until today's date. Throughout these episodes, you guys are going to continue to see more behind the scenes stuff with what I've got going on the Stronger for Tomorrow on the back end, which includes how I design the products, how I go about marketing the products with photos and videos, and even graphic design, because I do some of it myself whenever I don't outsource the work. So you get to see from start to finish the idea into an actual product, an actual tangible product that will sell. And we'll go ahead and review the analytics. You guys are going to be able to see how I read the data. And throughout this whole process, you're going to learn something, whether it be from the back end, the marketing side, or the design side of it. So to wrap it all up, this is going to be the real raw footage of how I plan to scale this business and how I can hopefully inspire one of you guys to start your own business and ultimately invest more of your time